Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we talk about post, patch, get, put so far, so let's today talk about the delete request. And if you see, currently I have given a complete endpoint here. So this is our base URI and this is our final endpoint path. Here, if I try to delete user number 2, let's suppose, and if I click a send request, it should give us either 200 and 204. So if it is giving 200, 204, it means successfully we have deleted the user. Uh, Let me see if we have any get request, or maybe here I can give it a try. So first I will show you if we have any data. Yeah. So if you want to delete this data, simply we can do that using delete request. So uh, maybe this is since dummy API, so we are able to get it right now even though I have deleted it. But in real time, if you have deleted, you won't seeing any data here, so it will get deleted. So if you just pass in delete, give the base URI with the endpoint, and if you click send, all this data will get deleted. So this is what happens when you request for delete. Even for more detail, if you want to know, maybe you can simply give a prompt to your ChatGPT, what is delete call an API and how to use it. Using rest assured, you will get all those content already. So this will give you an overview of what is happening. So delete call in API is an HTTP method request for removal of the resource from a server. That is what I told. And it gives status codes 200, 200, 204, and you have to provide the body depending on the implementation. So like that. So few use case, you can delete a user account, you can remove a post, so like deleting a file from server, all these things you can do. In rest assured, we have already added these dependencies, and this is one of the sample example it has given. And we will try that alive, and this is what it is telling an explanation what is base URI. So already the base URI is nothing in our case is this, the reqrest.in. In your case, it could be if it is Google Map API, so Google Map.in, like that. And our endpoint is this. And similarly, how we did for other APIs, we will do the same here. We will pass base URI, we will pass the endpoint. We will then, in our given, we will provide the header. Here we kept content type application slash JSON because we want everything to be in JSON, not in other format. In when we need to provide the actual endpoint. So here we are providing this one. And in this, you will see one difference that I haven't give the full path because I already kept added my base URI here. And in the class level, I just already tell rest assured that our base URI is this, and anything after that is our final endpoint. So that's why I just wrote endpoint like this. So previously, I was writing everything fully and passing this here, but there is one more way where you can pass your base URI because this remains same. So you can put do like this also. Okay, then we have to put then as an assertion. So in our case, we have to see if it is 2 not 4, and anyway, we are not getting any body. So there is no need to do any kind of validation. And now let's try to run it. This should get passed because yeah, so if you see we got 204 here, it means yeah, it has been successfully run, it is passed. So that's what we have for delete. There is not much to talk about that. So if you want to delete any data from the server, you have to pass in the delete HTTP request and it will delete it. Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. And in the next lecture, I will talk about options. So you might not have heard about that, but this is also one of the thing which generally used by developers to get information related to the type of requests this particular URI is having. So if you see options here in header, when I raise request, it has given me 204 only, and here you see few new things got here: SS control, allow method, get head, put, patch, post. So it has this type of methods available which you can do all this operation. So you will be getting more information in the form of headers when you send the option request. Well, this is not commonly used, but you we must know that what is the importance of options. Okay, that's all pretty much from me for today. Thank you all. We will meet again. Bye bye.